Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video, I am going to talk about why we should not drink water when we are not thirsty. I know these days it's a fashion to drink water because it has been seen like water is cleansing something, and water is very important to clean your body, to remove toxins. Especially in West, this this technique is very popular. Like all the people are carrying water bottles in their hands and they are sipping water even without thirst, hoping like this water is very beneficial for body if we drink like this. But let's see what Ayurveda has to say about how to drink water and when it is beneficial and when it is not. In Ayurveda, water is known as ambu and drinking water is known as ambu pan, and excessive drinking water is known as ati ambu pan, which is not recommended in Ayurveda. So let's try to understand why Ayurveda doesn't support just sipping of water every hour or in every half hour. In Ayurveda, it has been said like whenever you feel thirsty, then only you should drink water. So what if we do not feel thirsty at all? We should not drink water? Because the water that we take, the intake of water is not only in form of water itself, but all the soups that we are taking, this is also form of water. All the juices that we are taking, this is also form of water. If we are drinking some kind of fruits, this is also form of water. If we are taking any kind of liquid vegetable, that also contains water. So it is not like when we drink this clear water or water from the bottle, then only we are drinking water. We are taking water in many other sources, in many other ways. Like for example, these days winter season is, and in winter season we rarely feel thirsty unless we put our body in certain discipline. Like if we are doing exercise very regularly, then after exercise, after 1 hour we feel thirsty, and that time if you are drinking water like 2, 3, 4, even 5 glasses, it's okay, because this is the time when your body is demanding water. It is not you are imposing water on your body. So it's very important. It's a different kind of consciousness to pay, like it is different kind of observation. And if we observe, you will feel it like yes, when we feel thirsty, that time if you will drink water, like when you're thirsty, not means oh give me 1 drop of water, not like this, but when your body's intelligence give you signals like okay, I should drink some water, I am feeling thirsty. It's a very common sign, and it's very common sign and everybody recognize it. Even if you observe all these animals, birds, they also recognize, like they drink water when they are thirsty. They are not drinking water when they are not thirsty. When thirst comes, then only they drink water, otherwise they don't. Because according to Ayurveda, if we keep sipping water just like that, it will disturbs our digestive fire, and in return it disturbs our digestion, and ultimately it will be responsible for our improper digestion, and result will be undigested food. And as you know, undigested food in Ayurveda is considered as ama, that is also a form of toxins, which invites unnecessary diseases, like various kind of chronic diseases happens because of this ama, that is toxins. In Ayurveda, it also has been said whenever we have manda agni, means whenever our digestion is not proper, our metabolism is low, that also cause diseases like obesity, central obesity, unnecessary fat deposition, and unnecessary release of toxins which can get deposited at any place, like high lipids. All these kind of things happens when our metabolism is not proper, when our digestive fire is not working to the optimum. And with period of time, if we keep doing it, then one day what will happen? Suddenly you will go to doctor and you will see your lipid profile is very high. And why lipid profile is so high? You have not eaten anything bad, nothing you have done, but still lipid profile is high. It is because maybe you have this pattern of making your digestive fire low. Not only this, if we are taking excess of water which is not needed for our body, we are also putting excessive burden on our kidneys, because our kidneys, if they are healthy, they will filter everything. Anyway, they are filtering alcohol also. They will filter everything. But if you are keep putting water, especially this happens with health conscious people, because when we become more and more health conscious, we think if we put more water in our body, it will just cleanse everything, but it is not true. You should not put unnecessary water in our body. Whenever you feel thirsty, that time you drink water, and that time you can drink 3, 4, 5, 6 glasses, 7 glasses of water. Then body will accept it normally, because it is a need of the body. But when our body is not in need and you are putting water, it is going to disturb your digestive fire, which will ultimately create a lot of toxins in your body, and which will invite unnecessary lifestyle diseases eventually as time will pass. You will be surprised to know, like whenever according to Ayurveda, our recommendation of food is like this. Like for example, if our stomach has 4 parts, then 2 parts of our stomach should be filled with solid food, 1 part of stomach should be filled with liquid food, and 1 part should just left like this, so that our digestion will become proper, so that our enzymes, our metabolism, the process that is happening, that should be to the optimum, so that whatever we will eat, it will get digested very well, and our health will become better and better. Because if we are drinking water only when we are thirsty, this will also maintain the health of our kidney. There are some exceptions when you should drink water, like if you are that kind of person who has a lot of coffee intake, or you are taking something very hot in potency, because whenever you are feeling thirsty, you are going and grabbing a cup of coffee, and after that you don't feel thirst, but after some time again you feel thirsty and you go and grab a cup of coffee, especially it happens in winters. Then make sure, like whenever you feel thirsty, don't go and grab coffee, first drink water. First drink 2, 3, 4, 5 glasses of water, because as you know, coffee is very dry in nature, and if you will drink coffee or tea, it will enhance dryness in your body. So it's very important to overcome that dryness. When you feel thirsty, drink enough water. And it is also recommendation from Ayurveda, like if you are drinking coffee, so that it will not impact a lot on your by aggravating your vata, it's better to have 2-3 glasses of water or some fruits or some juice, so that the dryness of coffee will not impact you. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, please hit the bell icon, hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Also, those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID, and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section, and I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, bye.